Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Learn Tech, your go-to channel for easy tech tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the dark theme on Gmail, step by step. Whether you're using your phone or your computer, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in and get that dark mode set up. First, let's start with how to enable dark mode on Gmail using your mobile phone. Open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap the three lines in the top left corner to bring up the menu. Scroll down and select Settings. Select Inside Settings. Tap it and you'll see three options. Select Dark and Gmail switches to dark mode. Simply select Dark, and just like that, your Gmail switches to dark mode. It's much easier on the eyes, and that's awesome. That's all it takes to enable dark theme on Gmail. Whether you're using your phone, I hope this helped you get set up with dark mode.